Fiona needs to buy 1,000 grams of carrots as cheaply as she can. And we've got two options, pack A and pack B. Well, what you can see here is that pack A is twice the size of pack B. So if I had 400 grams of pack B, then I would have 65 times 2, which would be £1.30. So pack A is better value than pack B, so we want as many pack A's as we can. Now pack A is coming 400 grams, so we could get 2 lots of pack A. That would get us to 800 grams, and then we would need 1 lot of pack B, because 1 pack B is cheaper than 1 pack A. So putting the prices in, we're going to get 2 times £1.20 plus 1 lot of 65p. Put that into my calculator and you would get £3.05, and that's the cheapest we could do.